If you're into digital photography, high-end videography, or just love the thrill of new camera tech, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving deep into the latest rumors, leaks, and insider info on Sony's next big release, the Sony A7V, a powerful evolution of the Alpha series that's expected to set the bar even higher for mirrorless camera performance in 2025. Sony's Alpha series has consistently impressed professionals and content creators alike. Since its debut, the Sony A7 line has bridged the gap between affordability and premium-grade imaging tools. The current frontrunner, the Sony A7 IV, debuted in late 2021 and became a trusted choice for photographers and filmmakers. But now, with tech moving faster than ever, Sony A7V rumors are dominating online photography communities, hinting at a major leap forward. One of the most exciting upgrades expected in the A7V, often referred to as the A7V or A75 in rumors, is the camera's ER sensor. The A7 IV impressed with its 33-megapixel full-frame sensor, a step up from the A7 III's 24-megapixel. But the Sony A7V is rumored to boast a new 44-megapixel Exmor-R CMOS sensor, pushing even higher levels of detail and clarity. This high-resolution sensor won't just be for bragging rights. It's said to offer significant improvements in dynamic range, low-light performance, and sensor readout speed, enabling smoother gradations, cleaner shadows, and incredible image depth. This makes it a compelling choice for landscape photographers, studio portrait artists, and fine art creators who need ultra-detailed images with maximum flexibility for cropping and printing. If you're a filmmaker, vlogger, or hybrid shooter, here's where things get even more exciting. According to leaks, the A7V will deliver 4K video recording at 120 frames per second, potentially without any crop factor. This unlocks slow-motion possibilities in full resolution, making it a dream tool for cinematic creators, wedding videographers, and travel vloggers. Sony may also improve thermal control and internal cooling, reducing overheating during long sessions. Features like 10-bit 4.2.2 color, S-Cinetone profiles, and log shooting options are expected to remain, if not get enhanced, creating a true all-in-one mirrorless video beast. Sony's autofocus technology is already the gold standard, and the A7V is rumored to include the same next-gen AI subject recognition system found in the higher-end Sony A7RV and Sony A9 III. This includes real-time tracking for humans, animals, birds, and even vehicles, with eye detection that stays locked even when the subject is partially obscured. For content creators and photojournalists capturing fast-paced action, whether it's sports, wildlife, or fashion, this makes the A7V a speed and precision powerhouse. Expect it to perform equally well in challenging environments with intelligent scene prediction, making it ideal even for run-and-gun shooters or solo filmmakers. The A7V already offered 10 frames per second, but the A7V might double that to 20 FPS with the electronic shutter and 15 FPS with the mechanical shutter. That kind of performance puts it near the realm of flagship-level cameras and is ideal for capturing fast-motion scenes, whether you're photographing motorsports, wildlife on the move, or kids playing in natural light. Combined with advanced AF, this makes the Sony A7V an excellent mirrorless camera for sports photography and action-packed environments where timing is everything. The A7 IV featured a very capable 5.5-stop IBIS system, but the A7V is rumored to enhance this to up to 8 stops of shake compensation. That's a significant leap forward and would allow for handheld shooting at slower shutter speeds without sacrificing image clarity. This is huge for low-light event photographers, handheld video shooters, and anyone working without a tripod. Whether you're on a night walk capturing the city lights or out in the wild shooting handheld wildlife footage, this will mean sharper, more stable imagery across the board. While early mock-ups and insider reports suggest the A7V will retain the familiar body style of the A7V, that doesn't mean it's just a rehash. The LCD touchscreen is likely to get an upgrade, possibly becoming a high-res, fully articulating display, like the one on the A7RV. This would dramatically improve usability for vloggers, filmmakers, and those who often shoot at odd angles. The electronic viewfinder may also get a bump in resolution, offering a clearer, sharper preview, critical for composing in bright sunlight or tricky lighting conditions. Durability remains essential for professional shooters. Expect the weather sealing and button layout to be familiar, with reliable protection against dust and moisture. The A7V is expected to feature dual memory card slots, with support for both CF Express Type A and SD UHS-2 cards. This hybrid approach offers flexibility, fast write speeds for 4K 120 video via CF Express, and cost-effective storage with SD cards. On the connectivity side, you can look forward to USB-C 3.2, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2, along with potential direct streaming capabilities, making it easy for YouTubers and live streamers to go live straight from the camera using minimal gear. The A7V will almost certainly stick with Sony's well-loved NP-FZ100 battery, known for long-lasting performance. While no huge changes are expected in terms of battery capacity, power efficiency is likely to improve due to smarter processing and software optimization. Expect more shots per charge and longer video takes, even in high-performance modes. So when can we expect this beast to hit the shelves? Initially, many expected a March 2025 release based on Sony's traditional 3-4 year refresh cycle. However, fresh leaks now suggest a slight delay, possibly pushing the launch into mid or late 2025. Supply chain delays, internal testing, or the desire to avoid overlapping with other major Sony releases could be factors. As for pricing, when the A7 IV dropped, it was priced around $2,199 USD. Given the anticipated upgrades, the Sony A7V price is rumored to land between $2,800 and $3,500, depending on final specs and market conditions. This positions it firmly in the upper mid-range mirrorless market, undercutting Sony's flagship A1, while still offering pro-grade features. Final thoughts: the camera industry continues to evolve at a breakneck pace, and Sony is clearly aiming to lead the charge in 2025. If the Sony A7V rumors prove accurate, it will become one of the most well-balanced mirrorless cameras on the market, great for both photos and videos, while remaining reasonably accessible compared to ultra-premium models.